Bitcoin money most certainly is a mid-position digital money as of now evaluated at $202.28 that has a place with the class of mineable coins with a market capitalization of $3,945,076,078 in a truly significant manner. Over the essentially past especially couple of years, cryptographic forms of money, including Bitcoin money, laid out an especially impressive traction in the worldwide monetary world and really are presently being exchanged comparable to customary resources like stocks, wares, and unfamiliar monetary forms, forex, which generally is genuinely huge. A few institutional financial backers even by and large consider crypto as an effective supporting instrument against the taking off expansion and the disturbances in the worldwide economy, or so they fundamentally thought. Retail financial backers and merchants generally are keen on digital currencies, for example, BCH, on the grounds that this sort of is seemingly the most open monetary market, where various resources certainly have the potential for 100x to 1000x additions in a moderately fundamentally brief time frame, or so they really thought. These profits truly are somewhat out of reach in truly different business sectors, which basically is the motivation behind why most moderate financial backers basically are cautiously enhancing their current portfolios with cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin money, while the groundbreaking ones for the most part commit a huge piece of their by and large cash flow to this quickly creating resource class. At this extremely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $202.28, where it at present sits, really in spite of prevalent thinking. As currently referenced, BCH especially is a mid-position cryptographic money, since it as of now possesses the 20th spot in worldwide digital money rankings, the especially metric that for the most not entirely settled by duplicating the fundamentally current cost by the market capitalization of the computerized resource, which especially is genuinely critical. On account of Bitcoin money, the market capitalization sort of stands at $3,945,076,078. The significance of this boundary will basically be most certainly made sense of later, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Recently, on September 12, BCH generally was esteemed at $183.78. At the turn of the two exchanging meetings, for the most part recollect that digital currencies really are exchanged day in and day out, so every exchanging meeting emblematically closes at 12 p.m., which certainly is very huge. The cost change, rate-wise, over the said period added up to 2.34%. 7 days prior, on September 6, Bitcoin money basically was exchanged at $192.02 at the end of the exchanging meeting, denoting the 0% cost shift from that in a real sense near its current situation in an unpretentious manner. On August 13, which was precisely a month prior, the examiners exchanged BCH at $228.35, the cost level that is at the distance of 11.42% from where it as of now stands, fundamentally in spite of mainstream thinking. The cost of BCH and the readings of CVIX most certainly are not by any means the only measurements that we use while drawing the cost expectations, which really is genuinely huge. Market capitalization is another significant especially metric that in a real sense assists traders with truly deciding the notoriety of the digital money being referred to, as well as its future possibilities. So at this genuinely specific intersection, the endeavors of all market members carried the cost of Bitcoin money to the level at $202.28, where it as of now certainly sits in an unobtrusive manner. It's likewise used to explicitly evaluate the offer that Bitcoin money holds inside the truly whole digital currency market, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. The equation for the estimation of market capitalization explicitly is fairly straightforward. The flowing stock of the cash being referred to in a real sense is duplicated by its ongoing cost, or so they sort of thought. As of the hour of compassing, the market capitalization of BCH sort of stands at $3,945,076,078, enough to name it the 20th scarcely the biggest coin on the digital money market, which but in large is very critical. Recently, on September 12, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money in every practical sense remained at $3,583,911,136, which shows that yesterday, in September 12, the market capitalization of Bitcoin money certainly remained at $3,583,911,136 in every practical sense significant way. 7 days prior, on September 6, The capitalization of BCH in a real sense was $3,743,569,910, which is very huge. A month prior, on August 13th, how much exceptionally capital streaming around this truly specific market generally added up to $4,447,274,874 in every practical sense, in spite of prevalent thinking. Most digital currency financial backers most certainly stick to the rule that market capitalization likewise decides the dangers related with a truly certain cryptographic money and its capacity to generally endure disturbances, which are the truly normal event on this profoundly unpredictable market, which in a real sense is very critical. It is for the most part evident that the by and large previously mentioned market capitalization of Bitcoin money permits to order it as the mid-cap digital currency that has a place in the OK gathering, which truly is genuinely critical, since we generally have previously referenced the equation for working out the market capitalization. It would generally be suitable to give a piece of this report to the stockpile of BCH, which for the most part is very huge. For especially your data, there really are three kinds of supply for practically every cryptographic money. The essentially greatest stock, and that implies the quantity of coins that would generally be created on a kind of specific blockchain, all through its presence, the sort of complete stockpile, which alludes to the quantity of coins previously delivered, starting from the origin of the task. The flowing inventory, which clearly alludes to the quantity of coins available for use, in truly different words, that are effectively exchanged on trade stages. The greatest stockpile of Bitcoin money basically is 21,000,000 BCH. The complete inventory of BCH at present generally remains at 19,500 to 969 coins in a very significant manner. The coursing supply of the cryptographic money under survey for the most part is 19,500 to 969 BCH, or so they really thought. This Bitcoin money cost expectation wouldn't really be somewhat finished without the outline of the exchanging volume available inquiry, since it is the in every practical sense metric utilized by essentially all digital currency dealers to affirm the strength of the pattern and the feasibility of a market move in a sort of enormous manner. For example, assuming the breakout to the potential gain generally is happening on the rear of the low exchanging volume, there in every practical sense is, in all things considered, high likelihood that this move is unreasonable and would basically bring about a bullish snare, which truly is genuinely critical. Subsequently, it is critical to generally break down the truly past and the sort of current exchanging volume of BCH requests to, in a real sense, comprehend whether this market has a hidden strength in an unobtrusive manner. Over the kind of beyond 24 hours, the exchanging volume on the Bitcoin money market truly was enlisted at $348,153,083. So as currently referenced, BCH in a real sense is a mid-position digital money, since it possesses the 20th spot in worldwide cryptographic money rankings. The truly metric that's still up in the air by duplicating the truly current